हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू गोल्डन करियर। आईबीपीएस पीओ के इंटरव्यू क्लासेस चल रही हैं। एक और नया टॉपिक हम लेकर आ गए हैं। अगर आपने इंटरव्यू क्लासेस अभी तक ज्वाइन नहीं की हुई हैं तो इंटरव्यू क्लासेस ज्वाइन कर लीजिए ताकि आप ये वीडियो जो है पूरी की पूरी देख पाएं। और अगर आपने इंटरव्यू क्लासेस ज्वाइन कर ली हैं तो अपना अकाउंट लॉगिन करके वीडियो देखिए, आपको ये इंट्रो पार्ट भी नहीं सुनना पड़ेगा, साथ ही आप जो है पूरी वीडियोस वहां पर देख पाएंगे। तो इंटरव्यू क्लासेस ज्वाइन करिए। वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक दिया हुआ है। 80 से ज़्यादा मार्क्स आप इजी स्कोर कर पाएंगे। अगर रिव्यू देख रहे हैं और इंटरव्यू क्लास के तो यहाँ पॉज करके आप देख सकते हैं। एंड जब आप एक बार इंटरव्यू क्लास ज्वाइन करके लॉगिन करते हैं तो आईबीपीएस की इंटरव्यू के लिए लॉगिन करेंगे तो देखिए वीडियोस ऑलरेडी अपडेटेड हैं, सारे वीडियोस अपडेट कर दिए गए हैं। इस तरह करके आप हिंदी लैंग्वेज में देख सकते हैं और यहां पर आप जब इंग्लिश पे क्लिक करेंगे तो इंग्लिश में वीडियोस दिखेंगे। यहां से आप डेली न्यूज़पेपर एक्सेस कर सकते हैं हिंदी और इंग्लिश में, करंट अफेयर्स। और इसी तरह पीडीएफ सेक्शन में जाएंगे तो इंटरव्यू के लिए बहुत सारी देखिए पीडीएफ दी गई हैं जो पर्टिकुलरली इंटरव्यू के लिए हैं। इनको भी आप जरूर पढ़िए। चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। एंड डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में इंटरव्यू क्लास ज्वाइन करने का लिंक चेक करिएगा। एंड कोई डाउट है तो आप हमें मेल कर सकते हैं।
So let's understand the full form first. Society of Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. This is the full form of SWIFT code. Okay, so let's understand what is Society of Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication Code. So it is also known as BIC. BIC. It is the network that enables financial transactions across the world in a secure and systematic manner. It was introduced for the secure and systematic mechanism. That's why it was introduced in the banking. So generally where you can find the SWIFT code, so it is printed on the front page of your passbook. Now let's see how does it work. So in SWIFT code basically it contains 8 or 11 alphanumeric characters. ठीक है. So what happens in this? 4 characters, first 4 characters represents the city. First 4 character represents the city. Next 2 character represents the country. After that another 2 is the location. So it may be of 8 alphanumeric characters or 11. So here it is completed with the 8. 4 of city, 2 of country and 2 of the location. Fine. And last 3 are the optional. So it can be the bank branch code or something else. Okay. That we will study or see in detail. Let's see. See, it is formally known as Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, that is SWIFT. It is trusted messaging system for banks and other financial institutions around the world. And it does not settle any money itself but provide instruction messages for just how to give and receive the specific funds. For all the messages, SWIFT charges also included. Okay. Next one is it is controlled by the central bank of the G10 countries, the European Central Bank and the National Bank of Belgium. Okay, so it was established in 1973 and is based in Belgium. Fine. If we talk about SWIFT, what was we using before SWIFT came in the banking? So prior to SWIFT, the only reliable means of message confirmation for international fund transfer was Telex. It was discontinued due to range of issues such as low speed, security concerns and free message format. That's why it was discontinued. Now there are about 1100 members bank in 200 countries and territories that uses SWIFT. So it began in 1973. So SWIFT has become an integral part of flow of global trade. So India's financial system has access to the SWIFT now. So now how does it works? I've already told you, but now let's see it in detail. So this is a messaging system. Each bank that participate in the system is assigned this code, which identifies the bank and the country it's in, where it's located in the country, and optionally the branches. Okay, it has 8 characters Swift code, like for example, first 4 character of the institute. So first 4 are of the institute, next 2 are the country, another 2 character are of location. Okay, first 4 character institute code, next 2 character country code, that is IT, example Italy, next 2 character the location or the city, that is Milan, and last 3 character are optional. Fine, I have already told you that it may be 8 or 11. So next 3 character are optional, but organization use them to assign the code to the individual branches, but all the branches use them. That you can see in your passbook also. When a bank is a member of Swift, their instruction messages are cleared as secured immediately, so the transaction happens quickly. So this was how does the Swift works.